Hi there! A lot of people have asked me to give them some tips on how to buy the Mi TV in a flash sale. I bought one yesterday for a friend from Flipkart and I screen recorded it, which I'll be sharing in this video. So continue watching this video to know how to buy the Mi TV in a flash sale. This is your friend Texing. Let's get started! Here are 3 tips to remember to buy the Mi TV in flash sales. Tip number 1. Use a laptop or a computer and not a mobile app to buy the Mi TV. Reason being, you need to keep refreshing the page, which is not possible on the mobile. And even if it is possible on a mobile, it's quite slow comparative to a laptop. So point number 1, use a laptop or a computer. Tip number 2. Be ready on the page of the Mi TV you want to buy at least 5 minutes in advance of the flash sale. When 1 minute is remaining, continuously keep refreshing the page till you see the buy now button. Tip number 3. Choose cash on delivery option for payments. Why cash on delivery, you would ask? That is because in flash sales, stocks are limited and they run out in seconds. So by the time you enter your card details and your net banking details, it's too late and you have lost out on the product. So what do you do if you want to make payments using a debit card or credit card? Seems it's not that difficult. I called Flipkart and requested them to send me a card swiping machine on delivery so I could pay using my debit card or credit card. No, you cannot choose the EMI option once you've confirmed the order. Here is a quick demo of how I bought the Mi TV for my friend.
It's 12:52, so make sure you're there before time. For example, right now I'm looking for a friend, so he wants the 43 inch. So I go in here and it says notify me. Now it's 11:52. So when it is around 11:59, you start refreshing the page again and again till you see buy now. This is exactly why I recommend you to buy it from using a laptop, because through a laptop you can refresh this page easier. And if you are doing it via the app, refreshing becomes a problem, and that's why chances of you getting the TV are far lesser.
The flash sale begins at 12 noon and now it's 11:59, so we keep refreshing the page till we see the buy now button.
There it is. Okay, deliver here, continue. Quickly go on cash on delivery because you don't want to waste time. M4R7. There you go.
So I hope this video is helpful, and remember, these are just some tips that increase the chances of you to get the Mi TV in flash sales and not a guarantee. I have also not had a 100% success rate. Write down in the comment section if you have any questions regarding the Mi TV flash sales. Also, don't forget to share if these tips helped you to get one. I have made videos on the unboxing as well as a review and even installing apps on the Mi TV. I will leave the links of all of them in the description if you like to check it out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't already. Until next time, cheers.